Hi everyone, my name is Faye Smith. I'm the owner and lead stylist of Faye Smith Agency. We're one of Canada's largest hair and makeup artist agencies, and I am here today to show you how to style curtain bangs on fine hair, which I very much have. So Alice at my beauty salon, Primp in Gastown, just cut me these sweet curtain bangs, but they certainly do need styling every day. I also have a huge cowlick here on the right side, so you know these bangs probably weren't suitable for me, but I have them right now, so I need to know how to style them daily. So what I'm doing first of all is actually just sectioning off that triangle section that she's cut for me. You can tell which bits it is because it's basically just the bits that are shorter. Those are your curtain bangs. And I'm just going to tuck the rest of my hair behind my ears to keep it out the way. If it's bothering you, you can clip them out the way, but for me this will do just fine. So I've got my day 2 hair. I'm going to need to wet my bangs. I'm just using a spray bottle right here, but if you prefer just to dip your head in the sink, you can totally do that too. So get them nice and wet. And I do find product is really, really handy. I am going to use a product from a line called Voir. This is a hair mousse. I find hair mousse is super handy just to give a little bit of grit to the hair, but not make it greasy. With fine hair, products will make your hair greasy so fast. So that's probably my biggest issue that I have with restyling my bangs. Okay, so you're gonna need a blow dryer. You're gonna need a blow dryer with a little snout like this. And you're gonna need a round brush. I'd say this is probably like 1.5 inches or 2 inches. I can't tell you exactly. All right, so what I like to do is actually position the brush up here first. Just got myself locked in position, and basically what I'm gonna do is blow dry and roll underneath until they are dry. So let's go. See where we're at with this. So my curtain bangs are supposed to be styled in the center really, but my hair does kind of part a little off to the center no matter what, so that's how I've had my bangs cut. And you can see how rolling them like that, I've now just got that beautiful little flick on the ends. I've got volume in the front, and when I pull it all together, my bangs look awesome. If you want them to have a little extra flick to the side, I'll show you a little trick for that too. You can actually take each section individually now that we've got them parted and just do the same thing again. But we're just kind of flicking it back. That is my favorite thing to do. I'm just gonna do it on this side so I'm nice and even, and then my curtain bangs are styled. Nice. I hope this tutorial might help you, as tutorials helped me figure out how to style my curtain bangs. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure to follow, and if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe.